Well, tell you something.
Yeah.
This is one way to tire out your kids and yourselves. Whew. It is 8:15 on day 5 and it's raining outside. I just got back from a shower now and yeah, the showers are lovely, but I don't know if we're going to be going anywhere this minute, so we're probably just going to have some coffee, some breakfast, and then hopefully the rain stops enough for us to go on our next adventure. Just the selection of meats and breads and cheeses and fruits, it's just yum. The rain has stopped for a bit, so we're just going to take a little walk through the forest, through the mountains to go and find a waterfall.
I found 3 grandpa snails so far. This one's a massive. Stop people from treading on it.
We got some of these lovely fresh bread rolls from the supermarket earlier, some meats and some cheeses which we'll get out in a minute, and Rob's making some coffee. Oh, look at that, yummy. We've just had some lunch, taken a short drive to another local landmark called Steinkirche Cave. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when we get there. This is completely vertical. We still have to come down as well. Well, tell you something. This is one way to tire out your kids and yourselves. Whew. Okay. Oh, that looks exciting. There's some picnic tables over there. Rob checking the information board. Oh, check, there's another one over here. Hey, I wonder if this is where the deer and the wild boar live. All those little poos we were seeing on the tracks.
I think I know what this is.
Oh, this one's got like a chimney thing that goes up. Okay. Oh. Whew.
Mommy, hi.
Hi! Where did you come out?
Come on, that cave.
Oh, the other cave. Okay, I'm gonna go have a look. Okay, so this is the cave my boys have just gone into. Boys! And they somehow came out the other cave. Boys, how did you do that? Where did you... How did you come out through the other cave?
Behind you.
Behind me? What am I looking at? Is that like some special door?
It's for this pit.
So where is it, boys? Manu, lead the way, honey.
This.
Ooh.
Gotta find your way.
Going through the boys' secret little tunnel cave thing they found.
No,
okay.
picture.
Oh, and this is where you peered your heads in. Because I saw you in there. That's the cave I was in. Right there.
The cave served as a storage place for reindeer hunters. In the Middle Ages it became a church with a cemetery forecourt. Here's the cemetery.
Raining. And we've got shelter in the cave. We're back at the campsite and the sun is out again. So I think what we're going to do the rest of the afternoon, what's the time now? 4:10. We are probably just going to chill back at the campsite, have an early dinner, maybe plan our adventure for tomorrow. We're thinking of going on the world's longest suspension bridge, and that's in this region as well. And we're thinking of doing that tomorrow on the way to Dresden, which is our next stop. The boys are leading me back down to the river after our day out because it was raining all through the night. So I think probably what they want to show me is that, whoa!
That was all covered last time.
That was all a path yesterday.
Yeah.
Just got to make sure our tent doesn't get washed down the river. Yeah, it was raining all through the night and
These would be
thankfully
lily
not through the
pads
tent.
second.